Euro USD last week, what was mentioned was that we'd have a correction, which we did. But the issue is that I took a correction that we would have a correction to about 1.16250. But we didn't. We actually had a correction to this level here. But I did mention a trade entry last week, on which we were stopped out in profit of 53 pips. So we did make a nice 53 pips, even though our targets was a bit off. Okay, what I think market could be doing this week, Euro USD, I think the correction is done and over it. Okay, what I learned from last week as well actually is that the targets was not, if I managed to see fibs, I would have put the targets as -27, which is around here, but I didn't. But anyway, like I said, we still ended up 53 pips in profit anyway. But yeah, what I think is happening is EU is still bullish. Okay, as we've mentioned, I don't think I need to go over it again, but let me just go over it quickly. Obviously, we see a break of a 3-year consolidation, a 2-year. Logically, I think market is going to keep shooting up for a while, especially the fact that 3 weeks ago we see a break and close past EMA 200, logically indicating that there's a bit of a bullish momentum. On thing, we've seen 1.19250. Okay, we've seen a retracement, a correction. Let me go to the daily actually to show that again. So the correction I was talking about last week, we've seen that happen. So market has pretty much, so 2 weeks ago I mentioned market at 1.9250, which was done literally, and then last week I mentioned that market will correct. Market has corrected itself. Okay, we see a nice a couple of touches around here showing that market is really struggling to break this 4-hour zone here. We could possibly see market push. Let me just delete this trend line. We could possibly see market push towards 1.19250 again. I would love to see a break of 1.19250, but for now, I think market is heading to 1.19250. The 4 hours of indicates that to me as well, because I do, like I said, we see market hit this 4-hour region once, comes back to hit it again, consolidates around it. Okay, it struggles so much about it, and then we see a nice bullish engulfing. Okay, so I think market will rise towards 1.19250. Okay. Can we trade it? I don't know. I'll give more updates. I wouldn't do it because 1.19250. That's where I want to see what market does there. If we see a break of 1.19250, then we can look for a retest and look for bullish entries. Okay. But if we see bearish evidence around 1.19250, I'll probably give updates. We could be expecting another correction as well. But one thing that to bear in mind as well is if I grab this and I get from air to my Fibonacci to the top here, we do see that this area, this forward zone, aligns with our fibs between 50 to 61.8. So logically, I would love to see market, if market, like I said, I think market is heading to 1.19250. I'd love to see market actually break it and even head higher. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. Would I trade it? I'm not sure. I would give you guys, an update when it comes to trade. Yeah, so I'll give you an update if it comes to trading. But yeah, whatever market does at 1.19250, that's what I'm really looking at, to be honest. Because I'm, like I said, EU is bullish. So if I see a break of 1.19250, then I'll be quite excited. But yeah, 1.19250 is what I'm looking for really. If we see market actually, and in the other case, if we see market calm down, okay, and break this region here and break the lows here, um, I will give an update. But like, one thing to remember is there's some stops resting around this region. Okay, most of them seems to be so most of the stops seem to have been taken out. But like I said, if we see a break of all these lows, especially this distinct one here, and like a filled in break, not a weak break, then like I mentioned last week, the correction could actually have been to 1.16250. But yeah, I'll give you an update. But this is my bias on Euro USD. I'm pretty sure it should push up to reach 1.19250.